I tend to do the more challenging and complicated projects, and that's why I need Pierre and his crew to get me all the great instrumentation when I need it.
Well, in the field, everything is now, right? And the information has to travel the speed of light to get to where it's got to go so people can make decisions on it.
The instrumentation is absolutely critical. And it's easy to sell it to my clients because my clients understand the value of what I do. So if I tell them we need the instrumentation and this is going to wind up either saving you money or is going to prevent a catastrophic failure, they get that. They understand that the instrumentation will keep them out of trouble. It's just phenomenal what they can do. We just ran a load test down on the strip, and as we were on our hold period, on our 24-hour hold period, all the data was just being uploaded to the web, and I was watching the rest of the hold from my office instead of being in the field. And it was absolutely outstanding, and that was unheard of before. Like, you would have to be physically there reading a dial gauge, and now with a linear potentiometer, it all uploads to the web and I'm seeing the data live, and it's awesome.